Today, one of the most anticipated hearings in decades in Washington, one of the most volatile political showdowns in public life. This will be a day when a woman who has come forward to say that she was sexually assaulted by the nominee for the Supreme Court, the highest court in the United States, Brett Kavanaugh. Christine Blasey Ford will have an opportunity to come forward and testify before the Senate Judiciary Committee. There are Democrats on that committee who say she must be heard and her story must be taken seriously. Republicans who also say they want to hear her account, while they're very concerned about Brett Kavanaugh, a man who has denied these allegations and others that have been brought forward. His nomination has been controversial from the start because of the political times and because of President Trump's association with choosing Kavanaugh for a change in the court that could shift the balance for years and years to come. So it was always a highly volatile situation. But these allegations of sexual inappropriate behavior and worse are certainly something that is rocking Washington. Kavanaugh says he has not done anything wrong, categorically denies any misbehavior going back into the early 1980s. But there is an accuser who will have her chance to speak on the record and before the cameras today. And then there have been additional claims brought forward, including a late claim that has been shepherded by an attorney, Michael Avenatti, who has been a very public enemy, if you will, of President Trump, suing him in other matters involving Stormy Daniels, the adult film star, and also saying politically that he could potentially be a candidate himself to try to challenge the president in the next election in 2020. This will be a pivotal day for the future of the Supreme Court and for the lives of the individuals involved, including the woman who's bringing these allegations, Christine Blasey Ford, a professor from California, and Judge Brett Kavanaugh, who is the nominee for the High Court.